Why do people willingly pay $300 for a cup of coffee when they could make it at home for just $10? Welcome to Dulcet Motives, the channel where we uncover the hidden principles behind wealth, business, psychology, and success. Today, you're about to discover one of the most powerful psychological tricks used by companies worldwide. A strategy so effective that it has helped businesses generate billions of dollars. Once you understand it, you'll never look at advertisements, brands, or your own buying decisions the same way again. The secret is called perceived value. Most people think customers buy products, but that's not true. Customers buy feelings. They buy status. They buy confidence. They buy identity. Think about it. When someone buys a luxury watch, they're not just paying to tell the time. They're paying for what that watch says about them. When someone buys a premium car, they're not simply buying transportation. They're buying a feeling of achievement and success. The product itself may be ordinary, but the feeling it creates is extraordinary. And that's exactly where companies make their real money. Here's what's fascinating. Many of the world's biggest brands don't just focus on making better products. They focus on creating a better perception through the logo, the packaging, the store design, the advertising, and the celebrity endorsements. Every single detail is carefully crafted to shape how you feel. Because when perceived value goes up, people happily pay more, sometimes much more. Two products can be almost identical in quality and materials, yet one sells for 10 times the price. Why? Because our brains love shortcuts. We assume expensive means better, popular means trustworthy, and exclusive means valuable. The smartest companies understand this deeply. They don't just sell products, they sell emotions. They sell aspirations. They sell stories, and those stories have built some of the largest and most profitable businesses on the planet. So the next time you're about to buy something, pause and ask yourself, am I paying for the product, or am I paying for the feeling attached to it? The moment you can honestly answer that question, you'll understand marketing better than most people ever will. If you learned something valuable today, make sure to subscribe to Dulcet Motives. Every video here is designed to help you think sharper, understand wealth deeper, and see the world differently. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay motivated.